Hello, my name is Yana Collado. I'm a teacher in Texas and I've been teaching Spanish and ESL for more than 18 years. Today I am going to talk to you about how easy it is to create customized listening, translation, and pronunciation practice exercises in Nualang. These three exercises are automatically generated based on your phrases or vocabulary lists. I'm going to go into Nualang to show you. Okay, now I am in my course and I will add a new topic to it. All I need to do is go to Add New. I will choose Crea desde cero, which means create from zero or from scratch. The topic title will be Saludos y Despedidas. The description to my topic will be Practice Greetings and Farewells Vocabulary. It will be at the beginner level. And now I get to choose an image to represent my topic. I will go to the library and I will search using a keyword. I have found a good picture to represent my topic. I'm going to select that one. I'm ready to move on. Our next step will be choosing a voice for our practice. I will go with Penelope. Saludos y despedidas is already created with Lupe's or Penelope's voice. I will click finish and then I'll select the topic. I'm going to click on phrases because that's where I'm going to add my phrases. I will add only a couple of phrases to this section just to show you how fast it is to add the phrases, and then the exercises are automatically generated by Nualang. I'm going to say buenos dias. Now I'm going to provide a translation for buenos dias, which is good morning. And I'm going to add the phrase. I'm going to add another phrase. This time I'm going to use a phrase that may have multiple translations possible. I'm going to say buenas tardes. One of the translations would be good afternoon. But another option would be good evening. By adding both translations, my students will get credit for either one of them. They're both correct. I'm just going to go ahead and go to exercises to show you how these two phrases look on the other side. You will already have a practice exercise for translation, listening, and pronunciation. This is how the translation looks.
Buenas tardes.
Students can listen to it as many times as they need.
Buenas tardes.
They can type in the translation, which is good afternoon, and the system will mark it correct.
Buenos días.
I'm going to show you what they would get if they get it wrong. Let's say this student doesn't know what buenos dias meant. They're going to say good night. It's marked incorrect, and the correct answer is good morning. This way, students have an opportunity to review, practice, and then try again. They're supposed to try again. If they're still struggling, they can use the word bank. Good morning. And that would be it for this practice. Remember, I only added 2 phrases, but you can add as many phrases as you need. I'm going to show you how the listening practice looks.
Buenos días.
Now, students are going to listen to that.
Buenos días.
And they're going to type in what they hear. It's correct. Buenos días.
Buenas tardes.
If they're still struggling, they can continue
Buenas tardes.
listening to it as many times.
Buenas tardes.
They can also change the voice. Let's say they want to hear it with Lupe's voice.
Buenas tardes.
That's a different voice. They could use Enrique's voice, which is Spanish from Europe.
Buenas tardes.
Or let's say they want to listen to Mia's voice, which is a Mexican accent.
Buenas tardes.
That way they have an opportunity to hear different accents from different Spanish speaking countries. Let's say this student still struggles. They can also use the word bank.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. And that's how the listening practice looks. Now I'm going to show you how the pronunciation practice looks. Students will record themselves saying the phrases out loud.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. Now, if your student has a strong accent, the system will still recognize those words and will give them credit. Buenas tardes. And they got credit for that. How those 3 exercises are generated automatically for you. You can add as many phrases as you need, and each phrase can have multiple translations as well. Thanks for watching. Here are some ways to get in touch.